Hi Chargers, my name is Grace and I work for the Transfer Center here at Cypress College, and today we're here at the Transfer Fair. The Transfer Fair is a super important event to attend because, as you can see, we have over 40 universities here on campus. They're here to talk to you all about your next step. Do you want to transfer to Cal State Fullerton? Would you like to go all the way to Hawaii? Whatever it is, we have those universities here for you to talk to you, and they have free merch.